In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail alias in Google Workspace. Send and receive emails from alias 5 minutes. A Gmail alias is an extra email address that delivers to the same inbox as a user's primary account. It's great for roles like info at or billing at, or for personal variations of a name without creating new mailboxes. To set this up, you'll need administrator access to your organization's Google Admin Console, and your domain should already be verified in Google Workspace. Start by signing into the Google Admin Console using an admin account. Once you land on the home page, look for Directory. This is where your user accounts live, and it's the place to manage identities across your organization. Open Directory, then choose Users. You'll see a list of your users. Locate and open the profile for the person who should receive mail sent to the alias. Inside the user's profile, find the section for alternate email addresses or aliases. Click Add Alternate Emails. This opens a field where you can type the alias. Enter just the part before the @ symbol, keeping it simple and professional. No spaces and avoid special characters. If your organization uses multiple domains, use the drop-down to choose the correct domain for this alias. For example, you might choose between your primary company domain and a regional or brand-specific domain. Be sure the alias you enter isn't already in use as another user, group, or existing alias. Duplicates won't be allowed. When you're ready, click Save. Changes typically take a few minutes to propagate across Google's systems. After that, any email sent to the alias address will arrive in this user's inbox, just like their primary email. For sending, Gmail often adds the new alias to the From menu automatically, letting the user choose it when composing messages. If you don't see it appear right away, give it a bit of time and then check again. As a best practice, ask the user to compose a new email and look for the From address selector in the Compose window. That's where they'll switch to the alias when needed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You can create multiple aliases for a single user as your needs evolve, and you can remove or rename them later from the same place in the admin console. Also, use clear role-based names for team addresses to make routing and filtering easier. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. You've just created a Gmail alias in Google Workspace, so your team can send and receive using that address in one inbox.